ibiganza ashaka kumusambanya.
A group of workers we were bringing into the country.
I think
Ayarimwe abantu bamwe twazanye mu gihugu.
the word is trafficked.
Ese ijambo gushimuta urabikora. Ikiwerewerera.
I've always had a knack for spotting raw potential, so I had to
Harya bigenda biti umuntu agaragaje ubushobozi buki.
keep a stone taker under his wing, show her the ropes.
Ati niyo mpamvu mukobwa namaze kubona ko afite potential yishimwe mu basore banjye mushyira mu biganza bya Tibo.
She knows him better than anyone.
Uriya mukobwa niwe wadufata kwa twabana Tibo ko azi Tibo kurusha abandi bose. Tibo yaramutoje yarerewe mu biganza bya Tibo.
Set her free. Locate stone.
Ndashaka uriya mukobwa muvane muri gereza mu locating stone.
She'll finish the
Uriya
job.
mukobwa anaza kurangiza akazi.
I can't.
Ntabwo namuvana muri gereza. Ntabwo byakunda ngo. Ntabwo wakora iki?
How's your wife?
Harya umugore wawe ameze ati? Uri igihe yagize umuryango wawe. Nta magambo menshi urebe. Uramuvana gereza n'umuvana gereza.
How's your wife?
Harya mbwira umugore wawe ameze ati?
She getting the treatment she needs?
Ese imiti ayibonera ku gihe imiti adakenera?
Because I know how expensive that can be.
You
Kuko
don't
ndabizi ko imiti akoresha kwa muganga ni imiti yenze cyane kandi nijye umwishyurira.
bring her into this.
I
Ngo
did.
umuryango wanjye ntuzane muri ibi. Ntabwo umuryango wanjye nkuzanye mu bibazo byacu. Ahubwo wanjijiwe.
You did.
Ni wowe uri murazana famiye yawe mu bibazo byawe.
It's exactly my point on potential.
Njyewe iyi niyo ngingo yanjye kugira ngo mbone potential y'umugabo.
When we discovered your wife's diagnosis,
Nyuma yuko twavumbuye uburwayi bw'umugore wawe,
I knew
nari mbizi.
right away
Nari mbizi
you'd do anything to save her.
ko wakora buri kimwe kugira ngo uvuze umugore wawe. Rero nshuti y'umusaraba. None
Here we are.
rero ubu twajya twaganira nk'abagabo.
Family is everything, isn't it?
Ndabizi ko kuri buri mugabo mu muryango aba ari buri kimwe.
Anita
Harya mukobwa yitwa Anita
and Saffron.
n'agahungu ka Safloni. N'abana beza.
I've done everything you've asked.
Umva ibintu byose wansabye nabigukoreye. Sibyo?
I can deliver you stone. That's all.
Stone njye ubwanjye najya nkamukuzanira.
Enough.
Kandi birahagije. Nta bindi nkeneye sibyo?
Why you say that?
Nari mbizi ko ubwo bwa muri ubu mbwire. Ariko umuntu uvuga ko uri bunzanire.
Well,
Banzure muri telefone yawe kwanza reba ka message ka mbere. Hari ukuntu nkubwira ibintu ukajya ndimo ndakina. Reba message ya mbere yakira ka video. Do. Video y'umuryango we.
girl, your daughter.
Agakobwa gato keza agakobwa kawe.
Get Nina out.
Vana Nina muri gereza.
See you